Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am back and this video is going to be a life update video. I just kind of want to talk about what happened within this last year. I know I haven't uploaded on YouTube for like a year, maybe almost a year and a half, almost 2 years. So it's been about a year and a half. I haven't uploaded. It's just a lot of stuff has been happening, a lot of life things, a lot of changes, just different things have been going on in my life, and I just wasn't in a place. Sorry y'all, if you hear this dog barking, I'm sorry, it's my next door neighbor's dog. So yeah, first off, I would like to say thank you to, I think I have over 100 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, even though I'm not consistent with my uploads. I really appreciate it. I know some people are like, ooh, 100, that's nothing, but you know, people are actually interested in seeing, you know, videos from me, whether it's 1, 10, whatever. I really appreciate it. So yeah, this is gonna be, like I said, a life update video. I'm not really sure if y'all care about my life to hear an update, but I'm gonna do one anyway, just for like anybody that's kind of in the same place as me or in the same space as me, you know, living wise. I just kind of want to make this video to get some things off my chest, and also to hopefully relate to somebody can relate to me, and to maybe be like an example to somebody. I'm not sure, but you know. But anyway, if you guys want to know about what's going on or has happened in my life, just keep watching. So yeah, it's been a while since I've uploaded on YouTube, like I said, about a year and some months ago. I know I got a lot of hits on my electronic straightening brush video, and I thank you for that video. I remember taping it and not thinking people would actually watch it. I just wanted to do it. But anyway, I'm blabbing on. So yeah, since then, a lot of things have changed. And yeah, I just graduated and I wanted to do YouTube and, you know, kind of get my foot in the door. But then, you know, of course, life happens. So I had a job. Well, when I did the YouTube video, when I first started YouTube, I didn't have a job. I was freshly out of college looking for a job. So I had gotten a job, which took all my time. Like, I didn't really have a life except for my days off. And that's only 2, you know, like I would work from 7 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. And mind you, I was taking the train in Dallas, so I would have to ride for like an hour. So I wouldn't get home till like 9. It was crazy. But God blessed me with a new job. Like I had to quit that job. Like I couldn't stay there anymore. I was worn out. I was tired. But God blessed me with a new job, and I started that January of last year, 2017. And I'm still there. I love my job. It's an amazing job. I'm still in fashion. I'm still working with fashion, and it's really teaching me a lot, opening new doors. They treat me well. I love doing what I'm doing. I get to work on the computer. It's just great. So yeah, since that happened, I've just been working at that job, which I really love, and I just haven't really been focusing on YouTube because of my job. But yeah, that's one update. My new job, even though I didn't really tell you about my previous job. Another thing that has happened within the last year and a half, since I've last uploaded, I recently got out of a relationship. We were together for almost 3 years. It was we were together for 3 years and it didn't work out. We just figured out that we are both on a different page in our lives, and it's just, we weren't very, I guess, compatible, you could say. You know, we lived together since 2014, and we dated in 2014 up until like 2017. We had a lot of differences, a lot of fights, and it wasn't very healthy to be in our relationship. So we decided to break up. It was mainly him deciding to break up. I will admit that. I wanted to, you know, a lot of females want to, you know, try again and try to work it out, especially if you love the person. You always wanted to make it work, and you don't want that relationship to end, but you know, sometimes it's best for the relationship to end. And I know that now. Before I didn't, and we were very serious, you know, talking about marriage, kids, and you know, I thought I found the one. You know, who doesn't what woman hasn't thought that she found the one at least once in her lifetime, you know, especially my age. I'm 27, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, we were together and it just didn't work out. And so we decided to go our separate ways. So I decided to move closer to my job, especially since, you know, I'm not going to school. So what I need to stay knitting for. So that's another update I would like to talk about is I have a new apartment in Dallas. So yeah, I moved in about 3 weeks ago, almost a month. Yeah, almost a month ago. And I've been here for a month. And it's really nice. I have to get used to living alone because before this apartment, I never have lived on my own. It's a new thing. It's a change. I've never lived by myself. It's kind of different, but you know, I'm getting used to it. I'm getting used to not having, you know, people around and, you know, having my time alone. Even though I don't mind being alone. Like I'm a homebody. I like to stay home by myself most of the time. But it's just kind of different when you've been around people for so long and living with, especially living with a certain person for so long. It's just like a new thing. So, you know, that's something that I'm kind of getting used to, but it's great. I mean, I like my new apartment. I do have some problems with neighbors and loudness, but hey, like, basically I just wanted to make this video for you guys, especially to my ladies. Any ladies, especially ladies my age. Like I said, I'm 27. I'm not bragging or anything, but I'm 27, I have no kids, I'm not married, I'm single, and you know, I'm just out here living my life. So I just wanted to make this video to update you guys on what's going on with me and just talk about what new things I want to bring to my channel. I want to bring new videos to my channel. Not only like I love fashion and you know, makeup and stuff like that, but I want to do more lifestyle things. I want people to kind of see how I'm living and see and know that it is okay to be alone, to be single, especially at my age. You know, I'm kind of up there. I'm not too young. You know, I'm almost 30, whatever. And a lot of girls, a lot of girls my age are already married, have kids, have a boyfriend, some kind of, you know, thing going on relationship-wise, family-wise. And it's just me here. I'm just here, you know, working and trying to, you know, build something. Like I said, I do fashion and I have a lot of plans to this year. I'm trying to do a lot of more things with fashion, like open my own business and expand, network, do more shows, just everything. Like I want to take advantage of the time that I have right now alone. I want to talk about this video real quick in relation to, you know, singleness. There's this video, I'm gonna leave the link down below because it is an amazing video. I recommend anybody to watch it, not only just singles but even married people. It's from Transformation Church with Michael Todd. He talks about singleness and how this is like almost the only time you get to do whatever you want to do before you have to be committed to other things like your husband, wife, children, you know, job. Like I said, leave the link down below. You should definitely watch it. But I just want to come and let y'all know, like, it's okay to be single. I want to bring you along, like, I want to bring you along this journey with me. This season of singleness, I like to say, which it is, it's my season. I know in my heart, and I know God has put me in this place right now to show me it's okay to be single and I need to prepare for what's coming next. Like, you know, yeah, eventually I do want to get married and have kids and all that stuff, but this time right now that I have alone is the time that I need to work on myself and work on what I want to do and things that I want to accomplish before, you know, life gets to me and I have, you know, husband, kids, all that stuff. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also started going to church more. I've always been into God and things like that, and I know personally for me, once I get in a relationship, I kind of forget that aspect of my life, like God and church and my religion. You know, I'm Christian, and I think that's another reason why God has me in my season of singleness, is to focus more on Him, of course, and myself. Like I said, He's preparing me for my future by placing me alone with a new apartment, with no boyfriend. So I know that the breakup happened for a reason, and I learned a big lesson from that breakup too. Like, so I don't regret it at all. I'm sorry. I was not gonna cry on camera. Okay, yeah, sorry. Had to get out my feels for a little bit. But no, I know it's a sad situation for, you know, for anybody that's been through a breakup. Yeah, my heart was broken, blah, blah, blah. But it happened for a reason, and I'm accepting it as I go along in my journey, and I wouldn't take anything back. So if you enjoy me, or, you know, watch my videos, I do fashion, I want to do lifestyle, I want to do cooking, I want to really get into like interior design. So if you like stuff like that and you want to come with me on my journey and you think you can relate, just, you know, subscribe, you know, if you want to watch my videos. I will try to upload more, I promise. I promise. That's one of my goals for 2018, is to do YouTube and more videos. So, okay, I think I'm finished here. Yeah, guys, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my 100 and plus subscribers. Thank you for sticking in there with me, even though I haven't uploaded in a while. Okay, I'm done rambling. I'm gonna go eat, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.